Hello, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for the latest updates, deep insights, and expert analysis in the dynamic world of digital assets. Today, we're putting the spotlight on Bitcoin, BTC, the pioneering cryptocurrency that not only continues to dominate the digital asset market, but is also reshaping the landscape of global finance. Over the past week, Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience, rebounding strongly after a short-term dip and trading near the $112,000 mark. In this comprehensive deep dive, we'll explore everything you need to know about Bitcoin's current market performance, institutional adoption trends, technical outlook, broader ecosystem developments, and expert forecasts for the remainder of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a long-term investor, or simply a crypto enthusiast curious about Bitcoin's future, this video is packed with insights to help you understand what's driving Bitcoin's growth and what to watch in the months ahead. Current market and price movements. Bitcoin has demonstrated strong resilience this week, rebounding nearly 4% after experiencing a short-term correction. The cryptocurrency is now trading above $111,000, reflecting renewed optimism in the market. So, what's fueling this rebound? A significant driver is the growing anticipation of potential interest rate cuts by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Analysts expect that there could be up to 3 rate cuts before the end of the year, creating a more favorable environment for risk assets like Bitcoin. Historically, lower interest rates tend to encourage investors to diversify into alternative assets, including cryptocurrencies, as they seek higher returns compared to traditional financial instruments. In addition to macroeconomic factors, trading volumes remain robust, signaling active participation from both retail and institutional investors. This activity highlights Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a key component of diversified investment portfolios, not just as a speculative asset. Investors see it increasingly as a hedge against inflation, especially in an era of unprecedented monetary policy and economic uncertainty. Institutional adoption and Bitcoin ETFs. One of the most transformative developments in the Bitcoin market has been the surge in institutional adoption, particularly through spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Since January 2024, Bitcoin ETFs have accumulated over $48 billion in net inflows, outperforming traditional assets such as gold and US-based ETFs. Major financial institutions, including BlackRock, Fidelity, and Vanguard, have publicly endorsed Bitcoin as a strategic component of investment portfolios. These endorsements are crucial because they help reduce skepticism around Bitcoin's legitimacy and pave the way for wider adoption among traditional investors. Banks and financial service providers are also expanding their cryptocurrency offerings. Institutions are now offering services like custody solutions, crypto-backed loans, and trading platforms, making it easier than ever for both retail and institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. This wave of institutional adoption is reshaping the narrative. Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative digital asset. It is increasingly viewed as a core element of modern financial portfolios. Market dynamics and Bitcoin's unique role. Bitcoin remains the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization, currently valued at over $4 trillion. Its reputation as digital gold is anchored in several key factors. Scarcity. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, ensuring a finite, limited resource. Halving mechanisms. Bitcoin's periodic halving events reduce the rate of new coin issuance, increasing scarcity and often driving price appreciation. Deflationary characteristics. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin's supply is fixed, making it a potential hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Decentralization. Transactions are verified through a decentralized network of nodes, ensuring transparency, security, and censorship resistance. These unique characteristics make Bitcoin highly attractive for long-term investors looking to preserve wealth and hedge against macroeconomic uncertainty. Despite its short-term volatility, Bitcoin's underlying blockchain technology ensures that transactions remain secure, transparent, and accessible worldwide, reinforcing its position as the cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Broader Crypto ecosystem and technological developments. Bitcoin's growth is intertwined with the evolution of the broader crypto ecosystem, which continues to innovate rapidly. Mining innovations. There is a strong focus on sustainability, with mining operations increasingly adopting renewable energy sources and energy-efficient mining technologies. This reduces environmental impact while maintaining network security. Custody solutions. Leading banks such as BBVA in Spain are expanding cryptocurrency custody services for institutional and retail clients, ensuring secure storage of digital assets. Blockchain innovations. Although Bitcoin remains dominant, other blockchain projects in DeFi, gaming, Web3, and NFTs are pushing the crypto ecosystem forward, creating a competitive and evolving market. Regulatory developments are another critical factor. Governments and financial authorities worldwide are increasingly monitoring cryptocurrency integration into traditional finance. Clear regulatory frameworks can boost adoption, while restrictive policies may temporarily suppress market activity. Keeping an eye on these developments is essential for anyone looking to navigate the cryptocurrency market successfully. Technical analysis and price forecast. Technical analysts remain optimistic about Bitcoin's near-term prospects. With strong support levels around $110,000 and increasing demand from institutional investors, Bitcoin is positioned to continue its upward trajectory. Short-term price targets suggest it could reach $120,000 or even higher if favorable economic conditions persist. However, it's important to remain cautious. Risks such as global economic instability, regulatory changes, and sudden market corrections could impact price movement. Traders should monitor key indicators such as trading volume, moving averages, and market sentiment to make informed decisions. Conclusion and long-term perspective. Bitcoin is more than just a digital asset. It is a transformative financial instrument that is reshaping global finance. Its unique combination of scarcity, decentralization, and growing institutional adoption positions it as a crucial player in both traditional and digital financial systems. As 2025 progresses, Bitcoin's trajectory will be influenced by a combination of macroeconomic policy, technological innovation, institutional participation, and regulatory clarity. For investors, traders, and enthusiasts, staying informed about these developments is key to understanding Bitcoin's potential and navigating the opportunities and challenges of the crypto market. Whether your goal is short-term trading, profits, or long-term wealth preservation, Bitcoin's resilience, growing adoption, and institutional momentum make it one of the most compelling assets to watch this year. Key takeaways for investors. Bitcoin remains a primary hedge against inflation and market volatility. Institutional adoption through ETFs and custody solutions is strengthening legitimacy. Macro trends, especially potential U.S. Fed rate cuts, are fueling bullish sentiment. Regulatory clarity and technological innovations will continue to shape its growth.